If you are encountering the consent required error on Instagram for your iPhone, don't worry. In this video, I will guide you through the steps to resolve this issue and get back to using Instagram smoothly. Let's dive right in. The consent required error on Instagram usually prompts when two-factor authentication isn't enabled. To resolve this, consider enabling two-factor authentication for your account. This added security layer prevents unauthorized access and resolves the issue when logging in from various devices. Let's explore how to set it up and keep your account secure. So, to enable two-factor authentication, open Instagram, tap Home Profile, tap three-dot, tap Settings and Privacy, then tap on Account Center, and then tap Password and Security. Then tap two-factor authentication. Choose your security method. Tap Next. Now, enter the verification code and enable two-factor authentication for your Instagram account. By following the steps, you should have resolved the consent required error in Instagram. If you encounter any further issues, please feel free to ask in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.